Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to share with you some pieces that I bought from Net-a-Porter, and I thought I'd share it with you. It's just 3 pieces that I bought, and I think these are like very essential for your wardrobe. So I'm going to go through them with you, and it's like these basically I bought the missing pieces in my wardrobe, essentials that are that will elevate my autumn winter wardrobe. Yeah, so I thought I'd share them with you. Let's see the first box. Obviously I have to order them separately because one of the belt wasn't in stock. Well, one belt wasn't in stock in my size, so I had to wait. So that one came after, and this one's the first one that came. So let's go through. I think this is the one with the belt, and just go. So this is how it comes in. It had the black tissue paper on top, but I took it after I've done it. So I've got Bottega Veneta belt here. Let's just move these here. Right, so the first thing I bought was Bottega Veneta belt, and I bought the size 70. At first I bought the, if you see it there, gold one. First I bought the 65, and that was slightly too small because I wanted to also to wear it on the waist and also to wear it over my coats and stuff, over blazers and heavier, thicker blazers. So that's why I went for this size. This is just a really beautiful belt. I absolutely really love it. I like the minimal design. You can get the bigger size, this shape, the bigger one. It hasn't got that buckle there. So I went for this one because I think that this one would work with dresses, trousers. Yeah, I absolutely love the minimal design. I absolutely love Bottega Veneta. It also comes in the pouch, which is really handy to store it in. And you've got the details of the Bottega Veneta belt. So it's really genuine leather. Yeah, so that's what we've got. So I kind of keep it in here when I'm not wearing my belt. This linen trousers that I'm wearing from my kit, I styled it with this one, with a blazer and a crop top, and I absolutely love it, and heels. It just looks so good on. It's just that little little design, that, you know, that little gold just coming through here with your outfit. It just looks really amazing. I think it was definitely worth an investment. I think this was 240 if I'm not mistaken. It's 240, but the leather is so soft, and you will definitely get a really good wear out of this. I think it's just a really good piece to have in your wardrobe, because I tend to wear all neutrals or blacks or white, creams. I think something like that, just to kind of break your outfit down, just to kind of elevate it so well. I absolutely love this one. This is my absolute favourite piece that I bought. I'm styling it here in different ways. I'll show you the cutaways how I styled it. I styled it for dressed up and dressed down. Yeah, I just can't get enough of this. I will definitely get the bigger one as well. Also, it's on my list. So just have to wait and see if I get that one as well. And yeah, if you like these kind of videos and styling and pieces like that, please come and stay around and see how I will style this as well, because I will definitely style these a lot more during the autumn as well, and winter, and the seasonal, festive season as well. This just comes handy, just dressing up any black outfit or any sort of minimal classic pieces. Yes, so this is the first one. Right, the next one I bought, it's the Frankie shop t-shirt. This, I've took the label off already. I'm just so happy with the item straight away that as soon as I put it on, I absolutely loved it, and I took the label off very, very quickly. This comes in they say take your regular size. I would definitely say yes, take your regular size. I got the extra small. I'd wear extra small on top and also bottom as well, actually. But mainly, if you want, these comes slightly a regular fit. So I would say go for your normal size. So I went for the extra small. Again, it's just really beautifully designed. Absolutely love the length of the arms here, just the perfect length, the way that it drops just there. It's just really, really modern and very like classic t-shirt. I absolutely love this t-shirt. It's very, very minimal yet edgy, because you've got the shoulder pads that gives you that 1980s kind of look, but very, very beautiful. Once you tuck it in, you'll see on the cutaway I'm styling it, you tuck it in, it really gives you that almost like an hourglass shape, and your waist looks slightly smaller, and it just looks like really, really good design. It's just so cool. I mean, I love my basics in my wardrobe, and I just thought, why not get a good t-shirt that is basic but with an edge? And I went for the Frankie shop t-shirt with the shoulder pads. I didn't go for the one that is the short sleeve or the one that's slightly tucked in like that. I actually really wanted the length of the sleeve of this one, and I think I get a lot wear out of it. Even during the autumn time as well with a blazer, this will look really, really great. I love the quality of it, and yeah, I think these shoulder pads come off. I think I saw somebody, one of my friends, she has a YouTube channel here as well actually. Her name's, her YouTube channel is Thanks to Fashion. I think, oh yes, she did say that you can undo the shoulder pads and wash these separately, and probably maybe wash this by hand, but I think this is just fantastic the way they've done it. I have tried the mango one, I think, and I've tried the Zara one. I think this by far is the best t-shirt. It's 100% organic cotton, by the way, as well. I really like the idea of them being sustainably sourced, very good quality, and the softness of it, the heaviness of it. I think it's just fantastic. You'll get, I think, definitely a lot wear out of this t-shirt. And yeah, I've styled it so many ways. I've styled it with the black jeans for a night out. I'll link them on the side here. And I also wore them with trainers, with leggings. So this is just an absolute favourite. I'm going to get a really good wear out of this. So stay tuned to see any more of these styling for this item. Okay, right, the next one I've got is, so this one, just like that. This I haven't taken the label off because this came a little bit later. This is the leggings from Toteme. I'm sure that's how you pronounce it. Toteme? Toteme. Toteme. But it's a Scandinavian brand based in Stockholm. I love their pieces. I think their pieces are well designed. The design of it is very modern, very stylish. The products are very iconic style for like the wardrobe essentials that you need in your wardrobe. So things like leggings like this, you can really wear this out for a night out. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. And yeah, that's why I went for this. You can get this kind of design on the high street, but I've not seen anything that fits this well. And the quality, guys, is just amazing. If you have a look, the quality is just fantastic. It's like this high waist, and then you've got the zip on the bottom here and the ankles. And what I love about these, if you're wearing, like, if you have that chunky trainers, I've got chunky trainers, and sometimes you don't know what to wear with them. Like anything baggy just kind of doesn't look right. So you either want something like full length to hit the floor so you don't see the trainers. But I've got chunky trainers where I put this on with it and open the zip, and I love how it just flares out just like that. It's just such a good versatile piece to have. I love how modern and design it is. The design of it is very, very good. Really good quality. It's Arket has slightly similar sort of cuts, and design and the quality is the same, almost as similar, I would say. So cost as well is the same. This is the same. It's got that minimal modern silhouette cuts for you for your wardrobe, similar to the Toteme. So if you see anything that you like on Toteme and you might think that, you know, it's slightly too high, I would recommend checking out COS and Arket. Also, and H&M premium selection, which I love shopping on as well. Yeah, so yeah, that's all that's there to say about this video. This is my first video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to see you back again. Thank you. Bye.